All right. The second piece is you have to know how to price a home, guys. I'm sorry. You got to know how to price a home. You got to know how to price a home. You have to know how to price a home. You have to. I'm sorry. So you could go in here because we have several pricing a home videos, how to price a home videos, pricing webinar. I think I did 1 million of them. And we walk you through how to price a home. You should use, stopping this. You should use our training because if you know how to price a home and somebody's listing a home at 350 that you know is probably going to appraise because you're very good at pricing a home at 370, then you could really just give them an offer at 370 and tell them and ask them for $20,000 in closing costs. But we don't throw darts at a board, right? Because we know how to price homes, right? The home I'm in is a foreclosure I bought for $119,000. It's worth 5 times that number, right? I will only buy homes that's not listed on MLS. That's how I buy homes. So I can't, right? We don't buy homes on MLS. Nobody buys homes on MLS that are trying to get deals. You buy homes off market. And you guys have been buying homes off market, but when you get in real estate, you forget that you even did that, right? Sell by owner owned this home. He's going through a rough time, foreclosure. Here I come, boop, 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 boop. Fresh off my own foreclosure, bankruptcy, repossession, and bought this house. How did I do it? Amazing, right? Built my wife's credit, I think, bought it, just so you guys know. All right, that's how I did it. Yeah. We started stacking all over again.